Hello everyone, I am Maria Ranjani, 3rd BA English, KCS Kastanar College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about Twelfth Night, written by William Shakespeare. Now we see important characters of the play. Harsino, he is Duke of Illyria and very elegant person. Sebastian, he is noble person, brother of Viola. He also physically and mentally strong. Antonio, he is best friend of Sebastian and also a sea captain. Sir Toby Belch, uncle to Viola, he is very drunken. Sir Andrew, foolish, ignorant man. Olivia, very beautiful girl. Viola, she is the protagonist of the play. Introduction to the play. Twelfth Night was written in 1601. The title Twelfth Night refers to the 12th night after Christmas, that is on 6th January. It is considered as a night of festivities. Its alternative title is What You Will. The story is set in Illyria. Now we enter into the play. Harsino and Olivia. Harsino is the Duke of Illyria. He is in love with Olivia, but Olivia has decided to live like a nun for 7 years mourning because her brother recent death. Viola as Orsino's messenger. Viola is the protagonist of the play. She is saved from a shipwreck. Viola disguises as Cesario. She gets a job as Orsino's messenger with the help of ship captain. She becomes the king's favorite. Olivia falls in love with Viola. Viola has fallen in love with Duke Orsino, but Orsino sends her to convey his love for Olivia. She tells about Duke's love for her. Olivia falls in love with her instead of the Duke. Sebastian saved by Antonio. Viola's brother Sebastian is saved by Antonio. Antonio says that he is better enemy of Duke Orsino. Sebastian thinks that his sister Viola is dead. He leaves Antonio and goes to the court of Orsino. Maria takes revenge on Malvalio. Olivia is already annoyed with Sir Toby for his rowdyism. Malvalio arrives and scolds everyone for their rowdyism. Maria plans to take revenge on Malvalio. The letter expresses Olivia's love for Malvalio. He need to go before Olivia, cross-cutted and smile all the time in her presence. Sir Toby, Sir Andrew, Fabian are hidden behind the tree. They have fun watching Malvalio. Viola meets Olivia again. Viola goes to meet Olivia again to win Duke's love instructed by Orsino. Olivia expresses her love for Viola, which she rejects. Sir Andrew does not like Olivia to be interested in the Duke messenger. Sir Toby tells Andrew to challenge Cesario for a fight. Malvalio and Olivia. Malvalio tries to please Olivia by wearing yellow stockings. Sir Toby decided to humiliate Malvalio by treating him as a madman. Antonio arrested. Antonio meets Sebastian, risking his life. He gives him his purse and they plan to meet later. He appears when Cesario and Sir Andrew begin their fight. Just then, two officers arrive and arrest Antonio for being the Duke's enemy. Olivia marries Sebastian. When Sir Toby is about to fight Sebastian, Olivia arrives and she too mistakes him for Cesario. Olivia wishes to marry Sebastian secretly. Sebastian is happy at his good luck. Olivia marries Sebastian, thinking him to be Cesario. Viola is still disguised as Cesario. She rejects the Duke's love suit and the Duke feels deeply annoyed with her. Olivia addresses Cesario as her husband. Viola expresses surprise. Olivia summoned the priest who had performed the marriage ceremony between her and Sebastian. Sebastian arrives. The close resemblance between Cesario and Sebastian amazes everybody, including themselves. Now we come to conclusion. The true identity. Viola then reveals her real identity as a woman and the misunderstanding is cleared up. The Duke decided to marry Viola, which makes her happy. Fabian reveals the truth. The play has a happy ending with a song by the clown. I hope you all understand. Thanks for watching.